It's Tuesday morning, the 8th of June, and I just got out of my Microsoft swing trade. Stock ticker is MSFT, and you can see here I did pretty well off of the screen daily. We got a pretty good gap, which I'm pretty happy with, especially on a stock like Microsoft. So first, let me show you how much I covered here. Percentage wise, I entered again like right before the close, and I got out off of this one pullback. Obviously this is not real, this was a messed up glitch on the chart, but still I saw this pullback down here. Didn't want to risk the profit I had, so I got out right around 255.27, giving me, we'll call it 0.55%. So 0.55%, not too bad. And in cash I covered around $600, and you can tell by this amount and percentage I definitely went small on this trade, and I'll explain why in a bit. Let me first show you why I decided to make this trade. It's not too hard to see here. Yes, we got a fail off this last daily, about 0.3, but when we get a win, we got about 0.8. This was a loss of about 0.1. We get a win of about 0.3, 0.4. So my point you can see here is that the risk to the reward is good for this trade, even though it failed last. And also, I looked at the minute chart for the previous day, or better look at the 5-minute, and you can see that it didn't have too bad of a fail early in the morning. You would have got a loss of about 0.3 to anywhere of 0.1, so not too bad. It wasn't until closer to the open that you get these bigger dips down in the loss. So that's why I thought if I go into Microsoft, cover early, my risk is pretty minimal, and it ended up working out pretty well. So yeah, $600 on a low volume trade is pretty good for me. And to show you why I decided to go low volume, first let me show you the heat map, and you can see that the only stocks doing well really yesterday were tech stocks, just all these stocks that are kind of associated with the NASDAQ, while Dow Jones on the other hand these stocks are doing really bad. So I knew the NASDAQ stocks looked better, but then I checked out their indexes on the daily, and you can see that the Dow Jones obviously and the S&P obviously were both red, while the NASDAQ daily was green yesterday. But we get these fails pretty consistently off of these green dailies on the NASDAQ. The last time it hasn't failed a green daily was right here. So it's been about 2 weeks since the NASDAQ did well off a green daily. That's why I decided if I'm going to trade the NASDAQ on a green daily, stocks associated with the NASDAQ, I'm definitely not going to risk full volume, and ended up working well. So yeah, if you guys like these types of swing trades and you want to learn how to do them, just subscribe below and I'll keep posting. Also, make sure you guys check out our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's what I've been sharing the top 3 stocks of swing trade 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.